Hello, today we're going to learn the Brahms Fourth Symphony last movement. This is a very difficult excerpt. This excerpt requires a lot of depth in sound quality, and there's a lot of higher position notes. What I would suggest is we're going to break it down to play them without so much rhythm at the beginning. Just find those intonation for the high notes first. Let's pay attention. It's in E minor, in 3/4 meter. So with no rhythm, just to find the pitch, work on intonation. Make sure you're gonna find the big leap from B natural in the third position to the high B, they match. So you can do a few times. Okay, now we're moving on. Now we're going to add the rhythm in. Make sure we're going to have the warmest sound and very heavy, big sound to play this section, because it marked from forte to double forte. Now the next section has a lot of 16th notes. We're gonna just work through the pitch first. So the sextuplet, we try to make sure the E minor arpeggio sounds really clean. So the articulation here for those 16th notes should be more martelé or should be more detached stroke. Now we're gonna start to play the entire piece without stopping at 76 per BPM. Let's go.